Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you SendGrid versus Klaviyo comparison for email marketing. So let's get started. SendGrid and Klaviyo are both powerful email marketing platforms, but they cater to different needs and offer distinct features. SendGrid is primarily designed for transactional emails such as order confirmations and password resets, while also providing basic marketing email capabilities. It has a user-friendly interface, although it can be complex for beginners, particularly when using advanced features. The platform offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model based on the number of emails sent, with a free tier available for up to 100 emails per day. It is suitable for developers' business with high volumes of transactional emails and those seeking flexibility and control. Its strengths lie in transactional email capabilities, API integrations, and overall flexibility. On the other hand, Klaviyo focuses on marketing automation, segmentation, and personalized campaigns, while also offering transactional email capabilities. It features an intuitive interface specifically designed for marketers, making it easier to navigate and create campaigns. Klaviyo employs a tiered pricing model based on the number of contacts and features, with various plans to accommodate different needs and budgets. This platform is ideal for marketers looking for a comprehensive solution with advanced automation and personalization features. Its strengths include marketing automation, segmentation, personalization, and ease of use. And for summary, SendGrid is a good choice for business that need a reliable and flexible platform for transactional emails and have a technical team to manage API integrations. Klaviyo, however, is better suited for marketers who require advanced automation, personalization, and segmentation features to create effective email campaigns. The best platform for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and technical expertise. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.